Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth mouse with DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So first of all, let's get our Bluetooth mouse and in order to pair it with our tablet, we're gonna need to put our mouse into pairing mode. So if your mouse has a selection screen button, you're gonna have to select the appropriate display for your tablet and then hold down the pairing button for a couple of seconds until the LED light of your mouse starts blinking. In order to make this happen, you also have to make sure that your mouse is turned on. Now, once you see the blinking LED light, we have to swipe down the control center and open settings from here. Go to connected devices, and then we're gonna have to tap pair new device, then select our Bluetooth mouse and wait until it is paired. Switch on the toggle, then tap pair. Okay, and now we can use our mouse to navigate on our tablet, and that's basically how you do it. So now if you want to unpair your mouse, you have to go back to settings, you have to select your mouse, and then you have to select forget if you want to unpair it completely, or disconnect if you want to disconnect it temporarily. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.